Good morning, guys. I did a bit of prep work. We're at site 1. We're going to do a quick breakfast. I've got some bacon, streaky bacon, tomato, onion, some beef mince, some slices of bread, and some black mushroom, and I obviously have some butter, etc. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do this bacon on the grill, tomato on the grill. I'm going to do the onions in a pan with some mince, and then we're going to just do plain toast. We have butter on the side, and that's going to be the breakfast. We've got a nice coffee station here, just to start the morning. And like I said, the sunrise here at site 1 was amazing. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've got some mince here, some onion and butter. I'm going to do that now. As you can see, I've already set this up. I've got black mushrooms, tomato and bacon that side. And just be careful it doesn't fall through. I'm going to let it go like that. I'm going to do the savory mince on that side. Quite easy. Have some butter there. Have the onions go in there. And then obviously the mince. Just grab some mince like this. Just be careful that you don't put this plastic in there. I've done it before. And that's it. And you're just going to let it simmer nicely until it's ready, and you're going to keep an eye on the mushrooms and the tomatoes, and that's how you're going to start your breakfast. And that's what's going to be breakfast. We're going to take some toast afterwards when all this is cooked, and then have some toast as well. Nou, neem mijn voeten eens weer. Ons kan maar skep. O ja, wacht, ek weet net nie dat. Ek kop fout van. Nee, los. Ek moet spyker terug. Ons skep. Ja, wat gaan dit doen? Jy nie eet nie. Hoekom? Nee, regtig nie eet nie. Een beetje smaak doen. Die broeit nie meer. Danke.
Ja. Fürs Restaurant.
Danke.